Hi, my name is Leonardo Rios. I am 49 years old. I am from Sogamoso and I live with my wife and my sons and my dog. I am studying industrial engineering at the UNAR. Currently, work as a heavy machinery supervisor at the company in Hecolmac. In my free time, I watch series and films, but my favorite hobbies cook pizza and burgers. My favorite TV show is Stranger Things, and my favorite sports has always been basketball. Uh, I live with my family, which is made up of my wife, my two children, and my pet. My wife is from Sogamoso. She is my pet. My wife, she is a housework and the mother of my two children, Felipe and Jimena. Felipe is 24 years old, is a professional in social communication and currently lives in the city of Tunja. Jimena is 21 years old, currently studying 10 semester of law in the city of Tunja. Manolo is our pet, his dog, and he has lived with us for the last 7 years.